Dear student, once again I have come to give you the solutions of different types of questions related with the linear pair of equations in the easiest way so that you will understand properly. I am going to take such questions which generally asked in the CBSE examination, and you will feel that the very easiest solution I have given. Dear student, don't take the stress because your examination is going on. During the examination, generally student feel the stress. That is why don't feel the stress, because you have prepared nicely for the examination in each and every subject, not only in mathematics, in other subjects also. That is why if you will feel stress, then it is very difficult to appear properly in the examination. There are two types of thoughts comes in the mind, negative as well as positive. Negative thoughts make your brain weak and try to destroy the brain. Positive thoughts make your brain strong. Not only brain, physically also strong, and automatically you will do better in the examination. And always your duty is to prepare nicely. Each and every chapter you prepare nicely, and don't think about the result. Automatically the result will be good. And feel while you are going to sleep during the night time that today I am very much happy, and whatever the result will come, which will come in my favor. That is why don't take stress. Don't generate the negative thoughts in your brain. Always generate the positive thoughts. Today I have selected a very important question from the NCERT book, which is very important and many times asked in the examination in different forms. First of all, it is very essential, very important to understand the language of the question. Step by step you will have to find the solution. Here it is given half the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter means sum of all the sides, that is perimeter. Rectangle is given. That is why I am going to draw the figure rectangle so that you will understand. This is a rectangle. This is length and this will be breadth. Width. This is width. And this will be the length. Concentrate over here so that you will understand. This is length and this is breadth. Here it is given half the perimeter of the rectangular garden. Rectangular garden is there. Garden, you have seen so many gardens. And its shape, that is rectangle, whose length is this one, is 4 meters more than its width. Length is more than width. Let the width be x. Width be x. All of you see. And length be y. I am just going to explain. Let solution. Let length of the garden, width of the garden, first of all. Width of the garden is equal to x meter. You can x meter width. Then length of the garden, length that is to be denoted by y, and it will be equal to, as per the given condition, you see, my dear student. That is 4. This length is 4 more than, यानी कि ये length width से 4 ज़्यादा है. ठीक है? तो क्या होगी? Length क्या हो जाएगी? What will be the length? X plus 4. Width and 4 more than of width. That is equation number 1. We have found. Why the question? You see, why the question? What is given in the question? 4 more than its width is 36 meter. You see, perimeter is 36 meter. Perimeter is 36 meter. But half of the perimeter, it is given half of the perimeter of the rectangular garden whose length is this one, its width is half of the perimeter. As per the condition, we will have to see perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of the garden. Perimeter of garden. Step by step we have to see. Perimeter, you see what will be the perimeter? X plus y. Similarly, that is also y, and it will be x. This sum of all the sides, that is perimeter. 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2y. That is perimeter. 2x plus 2y. 2y have taken. Okay. Now, by the question. By the question. What is given in the question? Half of the perimeter. Half of the perimeter is equal to 36. It is given half of the perimeter of the rectangular garden. Perimeter we have taken this one, and half of the perimeter I have taken by the question. It is 36. Perimeter, what is the perimeter? Perimeter already I have taken 2 and x plus y is equal to 36. 2 will be cancelled by 2x plus y is equal to 36. See carefully, my dear student. I am taking this one here. But y is equal to how much? From 1. From 1. From 1, y is equal to x plus 4. In place of x plus y is equal to 36. And you see, in place of y, you will have to write x plus 4 is equal to 36. 2x, I am taking 4 from left side, right side, that is 32. And x will be 32 by 2, that is 16. 16 meters. But x is what? Width. Width we got 36. Width we got 16 meters. That is width. You see width. Width is equal to x is equal to length. What will be the length? Length of the garden. Length is, which is y. Y is x plus 4. And x we got 16. 16 plus 4. That is 20. My dear students, I told you very the simplest way the solution of the question, easiest way, dimension. Here dimension is length and breadth. These are the dimension of the rectangular garden. And this is also the important question. Several times asked in the CBSE examination, the same kind of question. Sometimes they change the dimension, change the value, but the pattern of the solution will be same. Let me take now substitution method, which is also important. I will discuss some questions related with the substitution method. Okay, dear student, let me take the substitution method as well as some questions related with the substitution method, which is very important, and I do hope that you will not commit the mistake if such questions generally comes in the examination, and you will give the proper solution. Let me take substitution method. That is another method to find out the solution of the linear pair of equation in two variables x and y. I think that is clear. The solution to you, substitution method, I will tell you in the simplest way. Substitution method. Substitution method. I am telling you, discussing the questions with you as the teachers discuss in the classroom, because otherwise it is very difficult to understand the solution of the question. Let me take directly the question. Question 1, solve the pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equation. Even though you can generate the questions yourself by substitution, but I have selected the question by substitution. Substitution. As I told you, you can generate the question yourself. No need to take. Actually, if you want to take from the book, that you can take, otherwise you can generate just for practice. Because practice makes a man perfect. As many as questions if you will practice as you can, then it will be better for you. Okay? See, these are the two equations. What is substitution method? From one, either from one or from two, that depends upon you. Whatever the equation first you want to take. I am taking first of all, as I told you, you can take this one also. That will be easy. If you want to take from 2, okay? From 2 you can take. 2 is what? X minus y is equal to 4. X will be equal to y plus 4. When you take y from left side to right side transpose, then it will become y plus 4. And the value of x, you substitute in one. Substituting in 1, okay. Equation number 1, no need to take the stress, that is, what is 1? X plus y is equal to 14. And the value of x is what? Y plus 4. And plus y plus 4. The value of x is y plus 4, did you see? First of all, the value of x is y plus 4, and y is y you write as it is. And it will be equal to 14. Okay? X is equal to y plus 4. I am taking in 1 in place of x. You write y plus 4. I have given y plus 4, and this y you write as it is. Okay? Then 2y will be equal to 14. 4 you transpose from left side to right side. That will be how much? 10. And y will be equal to 10 by 20, that is y. Y is equal to 5 square. And substitute it in 1. Substitute in 1. Because either in 1 or in 2, that depends upon you. Where this value you want to substitute. Take x, therefore x plus y is equal to 14. And y you got 5. X plus 5 is equal to 14, and x will be equal to 14 minus 5, that will be 9. Dear student, we have got the value of x and y in the easiest way by substitution method. Once again you see, we have taken the equation number 2 and we got the value of x in the form of y. Okay? And this value which you got from equation number 2, you substitute in place of x in equation number 1, that is, equation number 1 is this one, substituting in 1. So, x plus y will be 14, x is 5 plus 4, similarly this thing. You got y is equal to 5, you substitute in 1 once again, you will get the value of x. Very simple question by using the substitution method. Okay, let me take some more questions which already have come in the examination. And that will be very much helpful for you. In the easiest way, let me take a very important question related with the substitution method. Which several times you will see the sample paper or last year's paper, CBSE paper, you will find repeatedly that question is given. And let me take this question, which is a very, very important question. Let me take this question. Next question, solve. Very important question, 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. Second equation is 2x minus 4y equal to minus 1. And hence find the value of, and hence find the value of, m, for which, very important question, dear student, you will have to see y is equal to mx plus 3. Most important question. These are the two equations, linear pair of equations. And just before I have solved such type of equations. And from here you will find out the value of x and y. Here we will use the particular method, the substitution method. Otherwise you can solve by any method. Next method we will take, that will be eliminating method, which will also be important. But while you are going to solve it in the examination, it will not be given particularly you solve by substitution method or elimination method. Whatever the method you feel easy, you apply and get it. Okay, let me take the solution. This one. This is equation number 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. This is equation number 1. And 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. Okay, you take the value of either x or of y. Let me take the value of x in the form of y. From 1, 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. I have taken transpose from left side to right side. And the value of x, okay, it is given 2x, better you use directly to the value of 2x. Substituting in 2. Equation 2. So equation number 2, 2x minus 4y, it will be minus 2. Actually, you can take 11 minus 3 by 2. Okay, but here it is given 2. That is why I think that it will be easy. No need to increase one more step. Write the value of 2x. 2x is, you write here in place of 2x, you write 11 minus 3y. Okay, and minus 4y will be minus 20. Okay, and this 11 you will take from left side, right side. Okay, negative minus 3y and minus 4y, minus 7. It will be minus 24 and minus 11. You see, minus how much? 35. Y will be equal to minus 35 upon negative 7. Its value will be 5. Y will be 5. And substitute this value here in 1, from 1. Because we want to find out the value of x also. 2x plus 3y will be 11. And x is equal to how much? Substitute. I am writing here substituting in 1. Substituting in 1. Equation number 1. Okay, here I wrote from 1, substituted in 1, means y is equal to 5. 2x plus 3, y is 5, is equal to 11. And 2x will be equal to 11, 3 into 5, 15. That is y minus 15. And it will be equal to how much? X will be 11 minus 15 minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. We got x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. Okay, but we are in need of the value of y, the value of x and y. Substituting x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. In what equation? It is given y is equal to mx plus y is 5. Okay, and x is 2. X is given minus 2. Then minus 2m plus 2. You see, in place of x I substituted minus 2. 3 you get from right side to left side. 5 minus 3. It will be minus 2. And it will be 5 minus 3 is 2. Minus 2m. M will be equal to minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 1. My dear student, you got easily the value of m. And very important question. several times asked in the CBSE examination. It is not difficult, but you use the proper procedure. Okay, I will tell you one more question, which is very, very important. I have selected only the important questions today for you, related with the different methods. Okay, let me take one more question, which is important for you, related with the substitution method. Okay, very important question and very simple, but you will have to form the equation. Ready-made form of equations are not given. These words problem also come in the examination. And this words problem, try to understand the language and form the equation. Very simple. I am just going to explain. First of all, I will write the question so that you will understand. Because whenever the question will be in front of you, then easily you may understand. Okay, let me write the question first. Question. The larger, see, very important. The larger of two numbers, two supplementary angles. Supplementary angles exceeds increase. Exceeds means increase. The smaller number by how much? 18 degrees. 18 degrees. Find them. Find the number. Find them. Find them. Find the numbers. My dear student, let me take, because here it is given. Already I told you that you must have, actually here the equations are not given in the ready-made form. You must have to generate the equations. And it is very simple. First of all, let the two angles. Carefully you see, I will use the conditions which were studied in the lower section in class 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Let the two angles be x and y. But here it is given the larger of the two supplementary angles. Larger. I am just going to take x is greater than y. You assume that x is greater than y. By the question, angles are supplementary. If the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then angle will be supplementary angle. And if the sum of the angles will be equal to 90 degree, angles will be complementary to each other. Angles will be supplementary to each other if their sum is 180 degree. Let me know this one. By the question, x plus y is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree. Equation number. Degree we will write, whenever we will write the value of x and y, we will write in the form of degree. But two angles are x and y. And if these angles are supplementary, their sum should be 180. Okay. Secondly, you see, second case, very important question, try to understand step by step I am telling you so that you will understand. Then what is the larger of the two angles? Larger is x. Larger of the two angles exceeds how much? Exceeds from the smaller by 80. Larger is x. X will be equal to smaller is y, and y is 18 more than x. One more equation we put. It is equation number 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. From 2, the value of x you substitute in equation number 1. Very simple. We generated the equations. Substituting in 1. Substituting in 1. Substituting in 1. Equation number 1 is x plus y equal to 180 degree. And what is x? In place of x, you write y plus 80. Y plus 80 and plus y is equal to 180 degree. Degree I will write later on. You see carefully. 2y is equal to 180 minus 18. 180 minus 18. Then it will be y will be equal to 2. 160. You see, that will be 81. 81 degree. Why? The value of y will be 81 degree. Okay? Let me find out the value of x also. And how you can find out the value of x? Taking this one. From 2. From 2, you see, x will be y plus 18. And y, that is how much? 81 and plus 18, that will be 99. X will be 99. Here it is given, find them angles. Find them angles as per the equation. And we have got both the angles over here. That is why, dear student, that is also a very important question. And I think you will feel happy. I have given so many questions to you so that you will understand and you will feel happy and you will practice some more and more questions related with the substitution method. In the next video, I will discuss some more important questions related with the elimination method. But whatever the suggestion today I have given, you must have to follow. You will be happy and definitely you will get success in your life. But you must have to do your duty. What the duty? While you are going, the time is for study, you study. And the time for sleeping, getting rest, you sleep. And time for playing, you go and play. At least for 1 hour you pray every day. Whatever the workload is there, you must have to play because you will get refreshed to your brain as well as your physical body. That is why it is must to get the relaxation. And while you are going to appear in the examination, I am going to tell you my experience during my last 37 years of teaching experience of class 10 and 12. That whatever the study you want to do, you do in the previous day, up to 12 or up to 1. And in the next day, if you are going to appear in the examination, no need to see the books. Get the relax of your brain. And if your brain will be relaxed, fresh, and you will appear in the examination, everything will come. The answer of every question will come in your brain and easily you may get the success. That is why, my dear student, this is my request to all of you. You like my videos and subscribe my channel so that I shall be motivated and I can give you more and more suggestions, more and more solutions in future also. Okay, thank you to all of you.